Okay, let's start the segment 1, the web penetration test. In this section, we will introduce how to use Python program to implement the web password brute force attack. Okay, let's see the CTF challenge question. The question introduces that for the red teaming attack target is a web host, which IP address is 172.23.155.209, and the website port is 5000. In the target website, there is one user named admin. The question requires us to find the password of this admin user and break the web to get the flag. Okay, let me show you how to implement this attack. First, we need to use our browser to open the web. Okay, so let's type in the IP address. For web, right? If it's used the default port A0, then you don't need to type anything. But in this one, the question tells you that the port is 5000, so you need the 5000. Okay, so now you can see that you got the web. So this is the introduction. And based on the question, right, there's a place ask us to log in. So we see check the web. Here is the login part. Then we press here. Okay, you can see that there's some place for you to type in the admin, but we don't know the password. If we try the password, right, it shows the user password incorrect. Then now we need to break the web with brute force attack. Before we start, let's see whether we can find other useful information in this login page. When we press this Gandalf message, right, we can see the Gandalf give us some hints. The hint says there's one API you can find to try the password. The API URL is IP address, then with user login and something. Now let's try this. So first we copy the URL, right? Then replace the login with the user. Okay. Then use the account we know. Then we try some password. For example, we try 123. Okay. We can see that with the API it responds one message, which is the username and password incorrect. Okay. Now we find the API we can use for brute force attack. Okay. Now we can design our Python program.